Mahahanapin nyo pa lang. Yun ang mali. Naghahanap pa lang kayo ng ebidensya, ano na kayo, bumoto na kayo ng sufficiency in form and substance. Ako nga, hindi ako abogado, naiintindihan ko yan eh.
What do you mean non-disclosure? When you have a SALN and it's increased, that's disclosure. I mean, I just want you to clarify.
Exactly. Tangina, bobo. Huling-huli sila ni Karen Davila eh. If this is my salin before, and then, nilagay ko sa salin ko, nag-increase siya ng 100%. Is it a non-disclosure? It is a disclosure. Dinisclose ko, kaya ako nga nilagay sa salin eh. Anong non-disclosure dun? Kung meron akong hindi dinisclose, you have to be specific alin yung hindi ko dinisclose. Because the fact that it is in my salin, it means that's what I'm disclosing to the public. Ganito lang ako kayaman. Bobo, huli. Oh, tangina kasi yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, bawal magmura eh. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, puro kayo mga tanga, tas nagagalit kayo kay Karen Davila. Nagagalit sila kay Karen Davila dahil daw, DDS na daw siya. Tanga tong mga to eh. Pag tinanong mo to, sabi ko nga sa inyo, si Karen Davila pa lang yan. Paano kapag yung mga abogado na yung nag-cross-examine sa mga ito? Mga abogado na ni Inday Sara yung nag-cross-examine sa mga ito, kukumbinsihin na lang nila ng abogado ni Inday Sara na peke lahat ng mga akusasyon nila sa korte. Paano na kung si Karen Davila pa lang natatain na kayo?
Fine. It's explanation. It's not na non-disclosure. If it's in the SALN, then it's disclosed. What the
Yes.
Vice President needs to do is explain.
What was alleged in the two complaints, is a non-disclosure of many assets.
Many assets. Alin nga? Yun nga yung hinahanap eh. Tinan mo. Simple lang yan. If there is an asset na hindi dinisclose, merong siyang mga assets na dinisclose, yun yung pagbabanggain mo. But the fact na sinusubpina ninyo yung bank record, sinusubpina ninyo yung mga transactions noong kanyang mga businesses, it means wala kayo nung sinasabi ninyong undisclosed. Naghahanap pa lang kayo. Therefore, it's a witch hunt. It's a witch hunt.
Many figures, I believe. And,
Fishing activity yan.
and again, I know that this is the beef of the respondent in saying that it was not properly identified, or there was no ultimate facts. But again, like in previous SAL and impeachment
Wala na.
case, like in Corona, the statement
Yeah.
of the non-disclosure of certain assets, or even just one asset in the SAL and the failure to show the
Wala na, natain na.
the
Sige.
proper increase, or the reason for that increase was that was used against Corona.
Hirap na hirap si ate, oh. Yan, yabang-yabangan, tali-talinuhan. Nung tinanong na, nga.